Hi guys. Rain, rain, go away. Come again in another day. Little John wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again in another day. Little John wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again in another day. Little John wants to rain, rain, go away. Yeah. That was really safe. They can't be safe from the monsoon. So guys, I'm singing Rain, Rain, Go Away because it's raining today here. Mom's so happy that raining here. So Mom's just really happy that raining because Mommy's so happy that raining because so Mommy doesn't have to water the plants. So, it's really raining today. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again. Even look at this. See? This plant right here. This plant. You guys see this plant? I mean this tree. This tree has fallen down because of the monsoon. This tree got fallen down because of the monsoon. Oh my God! Why did the monsoon make this tree fall down? I don't know why. It's really raining day here. Well, I'm good here. Do you guys see these rocks right there? It's really raining here. It's really raining. Really raining. Really raining here. It's really raining. Here I'm zooming in so you guys can see. It's really raining in here. I don't like how is it raining because the monsoon made this tree fall down. This big tree is so big. It made it fall down. I didn't like that. So it's really rainy day. Even you guys see the floor is wet. Floor is really wet. Even I'm zooming. Go to the sky. Zoom in. You guys see? It's really raining. I don't like that. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you how Mommy likes the rain. Why? Do you like the rain?
Yeah, rain can make our earth is cool.
Yeah, it makes.
Clean, not too much.
Yeah, it makes our world clean. Makes this earth clean. Even it makes the plants grow so fast. My mom wants to grow fast. make it grow fast. So I'm gonna go back outside so you can see it. Okay, guys, I'm back here. You see? Oh, hi, Mom. Why did he do? Oh, Mom is right there. Okay, can zoom in. Oh my God, it's really raining. Rain, rain, go away, come again and also, guys, I will be getting a haircut today. I will be getting a haircut from Great Clip. I'm a fun getting haircut. My dad is getting some haircuts too. My mom's not getting a haircut. So, it was really raining here. Mom loves the rain. Mom really loves the rain. Sit down. Zoom out. Zoom out. Okay. So I'm zoomed in at 10. I'm zooming in at 10x. I can't zoom in anymore. As you guys can see, it's really raining here. I'm zooming out. Really raining. My mom loves the rain. Me. So I'm gonna go back in. Honey,
I'm on the toilet, what?
do you love the rain?
Huh?
You love the rain?
Yeah, it's nice.
It is nice, honey. Daddy loves the rain.
It was raining outside. It was raining pretty heavy earlier.
Yeah, earlier it was raining pretty heavy. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm at here. Daddy's just going pie here. Our house. Daddy's also watching TV here. I'm going to show you the rain again. Here the rain. I'm showing you from this window right here. Even you guys, the window's very wet. I don't know why the window's very wet. I'm zooming. Let's go to 10x. And then you see, okay guys, I'm going to zoom out. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go outside here. So, I'll see you guys outside. Okay guys, the video's almost ending. Here, it's really raining outside. The video's almost going to end. My dad loves the rain. Really raining outside.
Like, pakai sepatu jadi kamu gak praktekin jadi kotor, tidak ada bak lagi jalan, tak kamu diisi bak loh.
Oh no, guys! I'm gonna put on my dad's shoes on. My mom told me that. Okay, guys, I'm wearing daddy's shoes right here. Even look at the grass. Grass good. It is scary for the grass. The trees are green. Cactus are green. And look over here. So I'm gonna go to the right. The trees are doing good. Well, mine's very loud, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay. It's raining, guys. I'll show you right here. See the rainwater. Well, anyway, guys, this video's gonna end. So I'm going back inside. Anyways. So, but anyway, guys. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and click the bell button. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.